Бұл жаттығу сөйлемдерді жаттап алуға арналған. Әр сөйлемді диктор 2 рет қайталайды. Содан кейін көрерменге сөйлемді өздігінен қайталау үшін уақыт беріледі.
Тренировка состоит из предложений, предназначенных для запоминания. Каждое предложение диктор повторяет дважды, после чего зрителю дается время для самостоятельного повтора.
To make.
To make.
I had made a difficult decision before the meeting started.
I had made a difficult decision before the meeting started.
I had not made any progress by that point.
I had not made any progress by that point.
Had I made the right choice before leaving?
Had I made the right choice before leaving?
I have made several important changes this year.
I have made several important changes this year.
I have not made any promises.
I have not made any promises.
Have I made myself clear?
Have I made myself clear?
I will have made a final decision by tomorrow.
I will have made a final decision by tomorrow.
I will not have made any mistakes by then.
I will not have made any mistakes by then.
Will I have made enough progress by the deadline?
Will I have made enough progress by the deadline?
You had made a strong impression before the interview ended.
You had made a strong impression before the interview ended.
You had not made any serious errors.
You had not made any serious errors.
Had you made all the necessary arrangements?
Had you made all the necessary arrangements?
You have made great use of this opportunity.
You have made great use of this opportunity.
You have not made the situation worse.
You have not made the situation worse.
Have you made this decision on your own?
Have you made this decision on your own?
You will have made new contacts by the end of the trip.
You will have made new contacts by the end of the trip.
You will not have made the same mistake again.
You will not have made the same mistake again.
Will you have made all the preparations by tonight?
Will you have made all the preparations by tonight?
He had made steady progress before the project was paused.
He had made steady progress before the project was paused.
He had not made unreasonable demands.
He had not made unreasonable demands.
Had he made enough effort to succeed?
Had he made enough effort to succeed?
He has made a careful analysis of the data.
He has made a careful analysis of the data.
He has not made any public statements.
He has not made any public statements.
Has he made a final choice?
Has he made a final choice?
He will have made all key decisions by next week.
He will have made all key decisions by next week.
He will not have made any rushed conclusions.
He will not have made any rushed conclusions.
Will he have made the necessary changes by then?
Will he have made the necessary changes by then?
She had made a valuable contribution before leaving the team.
She had made a valuable contribution before leaving the team.
She had not made any unnecessary comments.
She had not made any unnecessary comments.
Had she made progress in her research?
Had she made progress in her research?
She has made a great effort to stay calm.
She has made a great effort to stay calm.
She has not made any assumptions.
She has not made any assumptions.
Has she made the report already?
Has she made the report already?
She will have made improvements to the system by then.
She will have made improvements to the system by then.
She will not have made sudden changes.
She will not have made sudden changes.
Will she have made a decision by today?
Will she have made a decision by today?
It had made a strange noise before it stopped.
It had made a strange noise before it stopped.
It had not made any difference.
It had not made any difference.
Had it made the situation worse?
Had it made the situation worse?
It has made the task much easier.
It has made the task much easier.
It has not made any improvement.
It has not made any improvement.
Has it made any impact so far?
Has it made any impact so far?
It will have made a positive impact by the end of the year.
It will have made a positive impact by the end of the year.
It will not have made a big difference.
It will not have made a big difference.
Will it have made the process faster?
Will it have made the process faster?
We had made all the arrangements before the guests arrived.
We had made all the arrangements before the guests arrived.
We had not made any concessions.
We had not made any concessions.
Had we made the right assumptions?
Had we made the right assumptions?
We have made steady progress together.
We have made steady progress together.
We have not made unrealistic promises.
We have not made unrealistic promises.
Have we made the most of this chance?
Have we made the most of this chance?
We will have made further improvements by next month.
We will have made further improvements by next month.
We will not have made rushed decisions.
We will not have made rushed decisions.
Will we have made a joint statement by then?
Will we have made a joint statement by then?
You had made a valuable contribution to the discussion.
You had made a valuable contribution to the discussion.
You had not made any unreasonable requests.
You had not made any unreasonable requests.
Had you made progress by that time?
Had you made progress by that time?
You have made informed decisions.
You have made informed decisions.
You have not made the situation worse.
You have not made the situation worse.
Have you made adjustments to the plan?
Have you made adjustments to the plan?
You will have made important choices ahead.
You will have made important choices ahead.
You will not have made hasty conclusions.
You will not have made hasty conclusions.
Will you have made all changes by then?
Will you have made all changes by then?
They had made preparations before the event began.
They had made preparations before the event began.
They had not made any compromises.
They had not made any compromises.
Had they made progress together?
Had they made progress together?
They have made a strong argument.
They have made a strong argument.
They have not made false claims.
They have not made false claims.
Have they made a final decision?
Have they made a final decision?
They will have made long-term plans by then.
They will have made long-term plans by then.
They will not have made unnecessary changes.
They will not have made unnecessary changes.
Will they have made a public announcement?
Will they have made a public announcement?